Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comment. So let's see what we'll be expecting on our Bitcoin for the day. So make sure you subscribe and follow our Telegram channel to stay updated. So we did weekly analysis on our Bitcoin. I told you that this is a rejection zone. The market will definitely going to push up from it. And you can see market is giving us that bullish move. So like I said, our weekly aspect, our target for the week is still a level of 115,000. We are currently at a level of 110,000. By the time we did the analysis, it was on Saturday we did the analysis and it was around 107,000. But now market has gone up to 110,000. So our forecast for the week will be 115,000. So we are still expecting a bullish move on Bitcoin. Now let's go down to the forward time frame. What is market doing? So we can see that this is our first high. Here is the higher low. This is also our higher high. Here is also the higher low. This is what higher high, and guess what? The higher low is currently playing out. So you should be expecting that pullback to a level of 109. So currently we are trading at 110. You should be expecting that pullback to a level of 109. Once it gets to a level of 109, then you cannot expect another movement to the upside.